everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. How are you? So did you see the last video? I don't know if it was the last one I put up, but the one about the whisk bags that have crochet prints on them? Yeah, so exciting. Okay, so they have a giveaway. This video right here is the giveaway for, there's going to be 5 $8 gift cards. Now what you need to do in order to enter is go to the link below to the Whisk store and you sign up with them. Put your email in the thing. You have to be subscribed to their website, okay, because they're going to check. And so subscribe to their website, put your email in there, and then comment below, just write a sentence with the word gift, and that means that you are entering into this giveaway to win one of 5 gift cards valued at $8 each. Okay, so June 16th, I will draw 5 winners, and I'll make a video saying who won, and then you 5 that win will have to email me and let me know that you won, and then I'll send your email address over to Whisk, and then they're going to match it up with the subscribers to their website. So you gotta make sure you have your email address entered into their website, okay? Yeah, because I don't want to chase anybody down, but I will if I have to. Because I don't want to have to redraw, okay? All right, so so down below there will also be discount code if you want to go to their store and purchase something. And under that video that I did of the bags that have crochet designs on them, under that video is a link to each of those bags. But you know, take a look around their website. They have really good prices. Their products are so well made and durable, and I have several of these several bags, and I even have some pillowcases from them and some aprons and notions pouches, which they call cosmetic bags. But yeah, I love their products. They're so well made. They're good quality and they're really good prices. But use that coupon code below for 5% off. And I wish everyone the best. Yeah, so 5 winners. So comment below. All right, you guys, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.